Hello, welcome to my other video of do it yourself. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace this pressure balance valve behind your bathtub. This is the regulator that regulates your water temperatures, cold and hot, in the bathtub. And the reason why I'm replacing it because the temperature was not right. If you notice that the temperature of the water the regulator is either too cold and no hot water coming out, or only hot water but there's no cold water coming out. So the main reason is the valve behind it. Okay, and I have this bought this valve. You can buy it from any local hardware store. I bought it in Home Depot. You can buy it in Lowe's as well too. Any of the local plumbing supplies as well. So I'm going to bring it a bit closer. So this is the regulator. And this is the model part number, particularly on these types of the water pressure regulator. So it's kind of look like this on the sideway, on the top look like that, the front, the side, and on the back. So this is the regulator, the numbers. The time the video was made, this is $60. Something very easy and you can do it yourself. If you hire a plumber to do it, for the time you come over here, his part and this, it could cost you a few $100s. So all this part cost me only about $60. All right. So without further saying, I am going to show you how to do it. And the tools that you need is a small Phillips flat end screwdriver and a utility knife. The utility knife is there to help you to pop this cap off, and then also a Phillips square cross screwdriver. So without further introduction, I am going to show you how to do it. And also before you open up your knob, make sure you turn off all the water supply. So turn off the cold water and your hot water supplies. So number two, then you drain the water. Either you just put buckets underneath it, get a few buckets ready, and open the knob and get all the water coming out from the faucet. Collect all of them, in a bucket. Once you finish draining, then you'll be safe to start removing the knob here. So you use your utility knife to pop this cap open. Find a way around it. You can find a way to get the thing to pop this open, right? So you can, and then get your cross Phillips screw to remove this screw here. And the screw in the middle too. So you took the Phillips square screwdriver to remove this. Alright, then you can take this knob out and remove all the screw. There's a long screw here. There's one in the bottom, I took it out earlier on. Now you can remove this whole things out. We just remove the ring first. By the way, if you find out there's a water leaking from your faucet down here on the downspout, then it's this part's problem. So you need to be careful. Once you remove the knob, you will see there are two screws here on this side. You will need to remove this one and remove this one. Was a helpful hint that because once you remove these two screws and remove this metal plate, the whole compartment come out. There will still be a little water behind inside the cartridge, inside your balance pressure valve there. So what I will do is that I will get a paper cup like this, kind of cut it into two halves, cut it into like this, right? This is a paper cup, right? I'm going to cut it into just like this shape, like this. So pretty much like that one. So this paper cup will be putting inside and underneath. Okay, underneath there. So, and in case the water come out, it will not drop, run behind the wall, dry wall. It will collect the water, and it will allow the water to drain outside into the tub. So this is the side wheel. The water will run from the paper cup out to the outside into the tub, and not going to be inside the dry wall, which could potentially, if it's too much water behind it, it can potentially cause moisture and mildews and molds growing behind it too as well. If you have your power drill, use your power drill. If you don't have a power drill, just use your Phillips screw cross screwdriver. As I open it up, you're going to watch out there will be water coming out. As I pull this valve out, you can see it? Now you can see the water coming out. That's why I put the paper cup will help to collect and drain the water outside. So this is the cartridge on the outside. And now if there's no hot waters coming, excuse me, if it's dripping, if your downspout is this area is dripping, then this is the part that you need to replace. You can buy it in local Home Depot or any of the plumbing supply store. This cap should be separate from the compartment behind it. So water dripping is this part's problems. Temperature's problem is the cartridge problem inside. So if your faucet in your bathtub or in your shower area is dripping, the water is constantly leaking, no matter how you tighten it up, water is still dripping, then you need to replace with this type of valve here. So this is one of the many different types. They come in different size, different length, and different size here. The reason it's dripping is behind those valve here. They are over the years of using it will be eventually this valve will leak. So if you notice that your faucet is leaking while you're replacing your water temperature regulator, you may as well replace this one as well. Okay, but if it's just only water leaking, so this is the part that you need to replace it. And again, every house faucet there's a different type of systems. So check, once you take this apart, check and see, take this to your local plumbing supplies, and they will find some part that should be able to fit your particular type of faucet in your house. So I am going to remove the cartridge inside now. Okay, that's very easy. You don't need anything to pull it out. Just hold on these two holes there, one on each side, and pull it straight out. Make sure the two holes is horizontal and there's a compartment on vertically. So put it right back. You take it out. All right. So that's how you come out. All right, this is how you take it out. So this is the part, the front, the top, the bottom, the side wheel on the right, side wheel on the left. So we take this out. So we're going to put the new part in. Now there's two more rubber washer right here and one more rubber washer right here. So we need to remove that, replace that washer as well too. See that? I'm going to peeling out this washer out. So this is one of those rubber washer. And there's another washer here. You can just simply pry it and pick it out. Okay. Hopefully you can see it. All right. So this is the second washer. Now I am opening up this new kit, the new parts. That's the this is half an inch pressure balance valve. All right. So take this out. There's another washer inside. Take the washer out too. Remember the little washer behind it. So put the new ones. Okay, these are the two new ones. We're gonna put it in the back here. Put the washer in the back here. One here. We're gonna put another washer right around here too. And then we're gonna flip this back. This is the back of it. We're gonna flip this back and we're gonna push this back inside. Okay, they are all symmetrical. Top and the bottom is just like this. This is a newer part of the old one. This is a newer part, which is not quite the same. This looks like it's not the same. And if you look at this is a very old part, like 20 years ago. They had the design like this. And nowadays the newer design is like this. Okay, so it's slightly different. This is the back. And they don't have any more metal screw here. Flip the other way and flip the other way. So this is the newer part. Replace the old water pressure valve. So I'm going to insert this new half an inch water pressure balance valve. Okay, put it all the way back there. All right, like this. By the way, there are two more washers come out from this package. Two more new washers coming out from the package. These two new washers is for you to replace. This is the dial where you turn the knob on and off. Okay, there are two of the washer inside also on the back of it. So you need to replace these two washer as well. To replace this one, take this out. Take both of them out. And put the new ones in. Okay, put the new ones back on it. Put the washer. This is very simple. Put this new larger washer. So this is second pair of washer. All right. There's one pair of washers inside and behind your regulator. There's another pair of washer. This is a little bigger size though. Okay, this is a little medium size. That is go behind these two controlled area, all right? Behind these two valves, behind these two holes. So you can put this back. Last but not least, there's another big rubber washers on the outside. So we're going to replace this one. Take out this, there's a washer, the big washer. I'm going to replace this one. So get a small little Phillips flathead screwdriver. Go and pick this out, pick this washer out. Okay. Go all the way around so you can easily remove that one. And put your new ones, put your new washer in it. Okay. All the way around it. So there's a groove area. Put it down there. All the way around, put it down there. All right, so now we can, now this is ready to go. put it back there. Make sure these two holes is going to the same place where these two holes are. And then once you put it back, tapping a little bit, make sure it go inside. Then you put the two screws. There's two screws that you removed earlier. So you put these two screw back there on both sides. On one on the like a 9 o'clock position, the other is like a 3 o'clock position. Put this back there. So do a final tightening up of the screw on both sides, 9 o'clock and the 3 o'clock position behind. Make sure it's nice and tight, so you won't have water leak behind it. Okay. If you have your power drill, by all means you can do that too. In this video, I'm just going to show you also you can do a power drill. I'm already tightened up all the way up now. It's no more turning, okay? So before you turn it on, before you put all this part inside, I will suggest you to now you can time to turn on your hot water, turn on the water supplies. Make sure there's no water coming dripping from here first before you put all the other parts together. Why? Because if there's water dripping, if you put all this thing back there, you won't notice if any water coming out, dripping behind the drywall. So now I'm going to turn off the video. I'm going to turn on the water supplies and the hot water supply for the house, and then come back and see if any water will be dripping from this faucet. I have just turned on the hot main water supplies for the house, and I come back here to inspect and see if any water may be dripping from underside here. And I don't think I see anything dripping for now. So this is the base of the cup. I have not seen anything coming up now. I'm going to turn on this control and also see if anything may be coming out as well. I don't see any water seeping through at this time. Let's get the light here, flashlight, see? I don't see anything. If there's water, it will be coming on the base and the cup, and I do not see any water coming, dripping to the cup and draining out from it. So it's good. So now I'm going to put the plastic knob and the metal ring back onto it. So I am putting this back there. Let's get the paper out. It's still dry. Let's put this ring back here. So just tighten this back. Put this back and put the screw back. Last but not least, put the cap back. Hear the click? Okay, now we put everything back together. It's time to test the water again. I can feel the hot water temperatures coming back. It's getting hot too. So it's working. And so that will complete the demonstrations for this project of how to replace the water pressure cartridge inside and also the cap assembly valve right behind the knob there. I hope you will learn something from this video. If you like the video, please click the button below and subscribe my channel and give me the comments. Until next time, we will see you on the next episode of Do It Yourself. Thank you for watching and may God bless you. See you next time.